To another video. I apologize for not uploading for such a long time. OPS is having
The next Orange Line train to Oak Grove is now arriving.
just in time, boys and girls. Just imagine. Not doing that. What do I hear? Alright, it's coming. I don't want to stand in the yellow line, because or else the operator will just go the honk honk. And here's our first train, which hopefully I can do focus on. Hello, I get confused of MBTA. Oak Grove. There's no... Let me see. Okay, perfect. Thank you, my guy. Woohoo! Oh, I'm definitely driving that. 100% driving that. Oh, I could be a conductor in this. Oh, this is sick. Oh, let's talk about that right, Simon. Oh, fuck. I'm in trouble, boys. I'm in trouble. Yep, KTG gets in trouble by the operator. Yep, you heard that right, guys. The operator's like... You heard that, boys. I got in trouble by a freaking operator. Congratulations, operator. You showed how a failure you are. My God, that was a stupid idea. Anyways, here's another one. Better not do that again, or else the operator's gonna call the cops on me. Stupid. Yeah, we all know it's a boarding right here. Not even here. Should shorten there. 8 minutes. Well, if you want to say Can't believe I got in trouble by the operator because I was standing in the yellow line. What was that there anyway? Probably for safety issues. The operator was like, get the hell out of the way, my guy. Can't believe I got in trouble by a dumb operator. I mean, it's for my own safety. He's like, get the hell out of the way, kid. I'm trying to depart here. He was like, get out of the way, kid. I'm trying to blah, blah, blah. That was a stupid idea. Hopefully I don't do that again. Or else KTG will get in trouble for the second time. This time we only do zooming, not get in the yellow platform, or else the operator's gonna be like, my God, what the hell you do? So while we wait, I'm just, what was that? So, okay, what was that? Let's look at the map for a little bit. Cleveland. Wait, Cleveland Circle? Wait a minute. Whoa. The C branch doesn't stop at Cleveland. The C branch doesn't stop here. The C ends at Government Center, not here. What the heck? I think the operator got a little confused. What the hell is that? Whoa. I heard a doo. Probably just my head. Anyways, let's look at the commuter rail map. First we got Forest Hill 71st Avenue. We got Oak Grove 72nd Street. Just not 72nd Street. What is that noise? Yo, what is that? Whoa. We got a train. Wait, it's not a train. That's an R188. Get it? Because it sounds like an R188. This is Forest Hill 71st Avenue. Oak Grove 72nd Street. Haverhill. Penn Station.
The next Oak
Forgot.
Road train arrives in 5 minutes.
Oh! This is Penn Station too.
The following Oak Road train arrives in 16 minutes.
Okay, we only do 2. Nah, 3. Alright. We need Roosevelt. No, not Roosevelt Heights. Jackson Heights. Replace Needham with Jackson Heights, Roosevelt Avenue. That's better. Health. Just kidding, it's Heath. Just. What? Replace that Rosendale with Plains Village. You know, the one in Minecraft. JFK Airport on the 1, 2, and 3 lines. And 9. Just kidding. There's no 9. It's skip stop. We got the 1, 2, and 3 trains. We got the B, D, F, and M trains. We got the A, C, and E trains. We got the 4, 5, and 6 trains. We got the shuttles. We got South Ferries. Ayo, Amtrak service. That's boggers. Also, do you want to? Also, I know you guys didn't. Oh, another one of Forest Hills. I don't need to stand on the yellow line this time. I just farted. Just kidding. No, actually, I actually farted. Can't believe I farted on camera. That's so embarrassing. Oak Grove in 3 minutes. Hopefully I don't do that stupid mistake again. Or else I'm going to have to cancel this video and go home. You're getting me worried about Oak Grove. Oh, it's arriving. This is the brand new R211, boys. You're about to experience the new R211. This is the new R211, guys. Oh my god, it's the new R211. Oh my god, it's the new R211 running on the B line. Oh my god, it's the new R211. Oh my god, I'm so freaking happy. Oh my god, it's a freaking R211. Oh my god, it's a freaking R211. Oh my god, I want to ride that R211 so. Oh my god, my ears. Jesus Christ. Oh my god, look at that R211. Look at that R211 conductor cab. Yeah. Alright, I should stop. That B train's going to Forest Hills, 71st Avenue on the R line. What else? Does it go to Jamaica, 179th Street? Okay, I should probably stop there. Doors closed. This is Penn Station. I'm just kidding. Alright. Look at that R211 depart. Oh my god. A brand new train running on the freaking B line. Yeah. Bye, R211. See you, New York. That was cool. We have a history train arriving. The other one's in like a minute or 2. Oh my god, that scared me. My god. Yeah, I should probably be careful. I'm gonna be like toast after this. You know what? I have a pro idea. We're gonna be sitting in the conductor cab without going in the yellow line, without the conductor noticing and making us look like a total idiot. Danger! No trespassing. 3rd rail. Where's the 3rd rail? I think this one is. That one or that one. That one. Or that one. Wait, nice entrance. Oh, we got another one over here. We can't show it. It's a N-train. Whoa. N-train? That's kind of foam. Nah, bruh. It can't be real. A lowercase n running on the green line. The N is not... Oh, there it is. There's our 4 train to Heath Street. Here's our 4 train to Heath Street. Here's our 4th train, which has bypassed the station. Just kidding, it's at the back. Alright, let's wait for our Oak Grove. Yeah, look at that 4 train.
Oak Grove is stop 2 stops away.
What? First time. Wow, I'm surprised. The first. There's crowds of people. Alrighty, sorry about that. So, you want to see my face? Seems like you want to see my face, huh? No worries. I got a haircut. Hi, how do I look? Alright, seems like we're halfway at the back. This stinks. Wait, what's that? Is that an E train or an N train? Wait, that says Medford Tufts. Oh my god, I was an idiot. Yep. I literally got a mistake. Impressive. Oh, there it is. Heard the horn. I heard the horn. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. It's coming, it's coming very slowly. Just heard the horn. Yeah! Woohoo! Alright, let's go. Hopefully it's not crowded. Wish me luck.
This is North Station. The destination of this train is Oak Grove.
Wait, Boston? Boston College?